Check for pulses. Is he alive?
Yes, he has a pulse.
Yes, is he breathing now?
Ninth grade?
9 through 12.
9 through 12. So that whole space is a learning continuum where you're preparing yourself for that next step.
So today's STEM NOLA and the STEM Fellows program has partnered with LSU Health Sciences Center to host our own medical career intensive, so to speak. So students had a chance to both talk with professionals that are residents and doctors in the field to pick their brain about their experiences, but they also got a chance to engage in the simulation lab and work with a body where they got to diagnose and they got to see how they react in emergency situations.
You want to do?
There you go.
What's the best part is that hands-on experience, the tangible experience that students are able to have, they're able to connect.
When you're about your heart, okay?
Keep going,
Loud.
So I definitely like the hands-on aspect of it. Because of the pandemic, it's kind of made it hard for us to get these hands-on experiences. So I like that we are able to see how medical students are able to learn, how they're able to engage with their professors.
What is it? This is wheezing, absolutely.
We give them an opportunity to experience what healthcare is like. And what better way of exposing to some career is to show how future physicians are being trained, or future healthcare professionals being trained.
So you put in your application.
Also, they were able to learn, how do I get from where I am now as a 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th grader in high school to being in medical school?
This is normal, then what is this?
And it's just like, I would not have been able to get those resources had I not been with STEM NOLA.
Any questions, anything? I'm going to be with you.
By immersing them in it, give them the opportunity to understand how it's done. I'm predominantly talking about healthcare, but I also remind them is that it's taken quite a few engineers to develop this technology, so it offers a really good foundation for biomedical engineering to show that how other careers can improve healthcare also.
He's breathing.
I definitely like how in STEM NOLA we're able to dabble in different aspects of STEM.
If they don't know something exists, then they can't make a choice to choose that area.
The STEM Fellows program is an opportunity for students to develop their own identity as it relates to their career.
Thought it was going to be in the lab.
But also have that clarity before they leave high school to say, you know what, this is what I want to pursue, or maybe not so much. Let me maybe look into some other areas.
Say anything, so is he okay?
As a female in STEM, there's not as many opportunities that are presented for us, So just to be able to have people to help us find those resources is probably the best part of being a part of STEM NOLA.
This is a great opportunity for exposure, for learning from people about different people's careers and how it works in the community, and they can make their best decisions later on in their lives.
Does anybody know how fast we need to compress?
Really? Stand what?
All right, you know the song? All right, I like it. There you go. So.